Stop the music, alright? Let me get one thing straight before I review this, alright? Don't request any more fast food reviews for me. This shit not only eats at my, arteries, but also my wallet, alright? I'm a cheapskate. But I had to do this one food review, this one fast food review, and go into, review bros territory, because of this one guy on my server who's been collecting the sauce packets of this BTS meal, and it's like, why are you collecting so many? What's so great about it? Is this Szechuan sauce all over again? Is this Rick and Morty again? And so this is like the one time I had to find out and also document it. So today, yes, I will be reviewing the BTS meal. Well, it's in the bag. Let me get it out of the bag. Here's the BTS meal. Looks like normal McDonald's food, and yeah, it's basically like what they did with the Travis Scott burger, where they just took normal McDonald's items and just slapped a musician's name on it, and suddenly people wanted it. It's weird. But whatever the case, this time they actually did something different with BTS, where Jimin Jungkook, whatever the fuck his name is, if you're already offended by that, you can put me on the problematic males list and move along with your day. The members picked out these two sauces, Cajun and sweet chili, and I believe it's Cajun that are their food review requester is this is the one that he's probably been stockpiling. I think it was the flame icon or the chili one. I don't really remember. I'm not in front of my computer right now. I'm about to review this food, and of course with it I've got my usual Diet Coke. Not the diet hole is punched in, not P for piss, right? And at that point, it's like, some people might argue, why are you getting Diet Coke? That's worse for you. And the answer is, all soda is bad for you. Corn syrup in fucking normal soda, or aspartame in diet soda. Pick your fucking poison. I'd rather take my chances with aspartame, alright, buddy? It's in chewing gum. Calm down. Anyways, yeah, so let me get the nuggets open. 1 second. So right off the bat, the Cajun sauce is can't really pick it up on the camera, but it's really, really, strong orange. It looks kind of yellow and faint on the camera. No, that thing is fucking nuclear orange, or kind of more like a nuclear gold. And then this one is sort of like, this brown sort of thing. So Cajun chili. I think it's spicy. But whatever the case, we got our nuggie, we got our Cajun sauce. This is the one that our food review requester is addicted to. Let's see what's so good about it. I don't think I really got that. What's the point? It's like, I don't taste shit. I'm sorry. I just feel a little heat. I feel the texture of the sauce, and no other flavor. What is this? Is this supposed to be Cajun? All I just feel is a burn. There's no flavor. Rather have honey mustard. Maybe it is honey mustard. I'm so used to eating honey mustard. Let me try it again. No false positives around here. Hang on. Yeah, just slightly hotter honey mustard. Maybe even a tamer flavor. Yeah, and there's just like a little burn. That's it. Very unimpressed. I'm sorry, but I guess maybe you're stockpiling it because people on eBay will pay more for it again than good on you. But if you're stockpiling for the flavor, I don't really see the point. Not impressed. But let's move on to the other one. Spicy chili. So don't get me wrong. This has some heat. But this one's labeled spicy, so it might burn my face off. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, it's got more of a burn. Yeah, this I can actually taste the chili, and there's a bit of, it's spicier, but I'd say they're about, are they the same heat? Not really. Maybe this one's, this is a little spicier, but they're both pretty tolerable anyway. But thing is, it kind of tastes like sweet and sour, but they also just threw in hot sauce on it. I don't know, man. Overall, I'm pretty unimpressed. I thought it'd be some mind-boggling flavor, like the Szechuan sauce everyone went crazy for back in God, when was that? 2018? 2017? I forgot when that was. Shit. But at least with that sauce, it had there was something substantially different about it. This one, it looks like they were just trying to cut costs, and they just took honey mustard and sweet and sour and just threw hot sauce at it. Oh, it's cool. Ooh, maybe throw in a little food dye. Ooh, I don't know, man. If you like that, then we'll go for it if you go to McDonald's. But going out of your way to get this meal, thumbs down. Sorry. Yeah, it's gonna do it. Sorry, Jungkook, BTS, Jimin. Your meal is just like Travis Scott. It's just normal McDonald's. You just have your face slapped on it. But hey, that McDonald's sponsorship money must be big. So, props to you. All right, guys, take care. Wait! Don't leave yet. Don't leave yet. Update. I just had a little bit more of the of the sauces. The spicy chili. After a while, you actually kind of taste something different. I'm gonna take back my negative review of that. It's actually a lot better once you have it a little more. Should you go out of your way to get it? No. You know, you can still just get any old spicy chili sauce like at any other restaurant, unless McDonald's is the only thing in the area. And then as for the Cajun sauce, it still just kind of tastes like some kind of honey mustard with some spice mixed in. So yeah, like I said, the sauces are fine. I want to make that clear. The sauces are tasty, they're good, but they're nothing crazy or hugely special. So yeah, this is no Szechuan sauce. Okay, now you can go. Bye.